How to unblock someone in EA games. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today we are going to be learning how you can easily unblock someone that you've previously blocked on EA Games account. First things first, launch open a web browser and type in ea.com in the URL box and search. Once you end up in the official homepage for ea.com, go to the upper right corner and click on your profile icon. Now click on Account Settings. Inside the Account Settings option, go ahead and click on Security and Privacy from the left-hand side menu. Under Security and Privacy, scroll all the way down and look for Blocked Users button. Click on that. And on the next page, find the person or contact you want to unblock and simply click on the cross icon right next to their username. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to unblock the specific contact. So that is how you easily unblock someone on ea.com account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.